Good morning, good morning. Y'all, good morning. I did not make it to my Pilates class. So I set my alarm for me to get up at 7 o'clock, so I can do all the things, get in the shower, put on my clothes, comb my hair, do all of that so I can make it to my class. Also, I had made sure I wanted to have enough time so I can make my coffee and tea, but of course none of that didn't happen and I was late, and so I had to reschedule my Pilates class for next Sunday, but that's okay. That's okay. It's still the beginning of 2023, so I still got time to get myself together. Let me back up a little bit. My name is Tierra Fleming, and thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I've been gone for so long, but I'm back. I am back. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This year, I will say that I am going to be your favorite new YouTuber. I promise you. I'm going to be your favorite. I'm going to be your girl, okay? Y'all come and chill with me. Let me know if y'all want to be Zen, because I'm a Zen type of girl. I'm calm, I'm laid back, I'm real chill, I'm real peaceful. And if you are like that too, then mess with your girl. Subscribe. But anyway, since I missed my class, I'm going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to go to Publix to pick up a few things that were missing for this week. I have to get my stuff for our kids' lunches, because I make them lunch every day for school. So I need to get some lunch meat, bread, juice, water, a few veggies. I just need to go grocery shopping. Also, after I leave the grocery store, I'm going to go home so I can do some cleaning, because today is Sunday, which means it's Reset Sunday. So I got to get the home together, clean it up, and rearrange our furniture, because we do need to take down our Christmas tree. Is still up. I know. I should have took it down on the 1st or right after Christmas, but we just moved here to North Carolina and our stuff came late, which means I got my Christmas tree late, because y'all know I usually put up my decor early. My Christmas decor goes up early. My fall stuff goes up early. But this year, it did not. I got my Christmas tree. Well, first off, we got our belongings like December 3rd or December 7th, like the first week of December. And we were here, I believe, October. I could be wrong, but I think that's when we came to North Carolina. And for those of you who don't know me, we are a military family, so we do move a lot. Yeah, so that's why our stuff was late. Military move. But anyway, let me head to the grocery store. Then we're going to go home and we're going to reset. I just got back home from the grocery store. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul so you guys can see what I got from Publix. And y'all, everything has went up. Everything went up. Eggs were, I forgot what brand, but I get the brown caged eggs, and those eggs were about, oh my God, they were like $9. $9 for a cart of eggs. Grapes went up, bread went up. Everything went up, okay? Everything. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got from the grocery store. I had got some of these drinks that I picked up from Publix. I love the Frisco Lemon Mint. It tastes really, really good. I got this for Ramon. Ginger shots. grape juice, orange juice, natural blackberry flavored lemonade from Publix. It tastes so good. Lemonade, we all love lemonade and we use it to make matcha at home. Got some catfish fillets, some salmon, corned beef. Y'all, this corned beef was $6.67 and guess how many slices I got? It's really thin, as you can see. I got 3 slices. Stuff has gone up. Some ground turkey for tacos. So I wanted to try this. It looked so good in the store. It's turkey breast and quinoa with sweet potatoes, apples, kale, peas, golden raisins. I don't know about the raisins, but I want to try this out. Got my husband some of those lemon cookies. He loves those. Butter, some sweetened condensed milk for my kids' oatmeal. Got some chicken nuggets, some Jamaican patties. I got a cheese pizza, a home run in pepperoni and sausage pizza, another cheese pizza, some strawberries, some baby spinach, grapes, avocados, bananas, lemons, taco shells, some rice, and I got this rice as well, a bag of red potatoes, 2 bell peppers, honey wheat bread, these expensive eggs. Eggs almost was $100. We went to Target, and I told you guys we are picking up our dog next weekend, and I'm so excited. So we got him a, I guess this is a water bowl. And then we got this for dry foods. But yeah, it's so cute. And we got this for him. We also got some fresh flowers because these flowers, as you can see, they're dead. I think I'm gonna make me a quick little lunch. Take down the Christmas tree and rearrange the couch because we have to make room for Luffy, right babe? Oh gosh. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel.
Oh god. Anyway, so let's take this Christmas tree down, rearrange this furniture, and make some room for Luffy.
Hey, just because we taking the Christmas tree down kind of late don't mean nothing. We didn't put it up till about a week before Christmas. We had just got here. Y'all know this army living kind of different. So
yeah, when do we get our stuff?
December. We got actually our furniture like December 3rd or 4th. So then, of course, we have to get the house together before we even actually put up the tree and all the other stuff. So
let's get started. All right. So this is Luffy's little area. This is his little house. It's so cute. Look at that. It's one of his toys. Another toy he has. Then it has a little throw blanket in the inside. A water dispenser. A dry food dispenser. That's the bowl for wet food. I'm also going to put some pictures on the wall. Like dog pictures, you know, because this is his little area over here. So some dog pictures up here. We still have to hang our curtain. What is this called, Ramon?
Tinkle turf.
A tinkle turf. So this is where he will go to use the bathroom because he's a little baby right now. So this is for him to train until he's able to go outside and use the bathroom. Yeah. We have a toy-sized Yorkie. He's really small. His name is Luffy. But this is his little area for now. I'm also going to put like a little black mat over here to make it look a little bit more cozy.
We're going to get him January 14th down in South Carolina. So basically, most people say, you know, you shouldn't even start your dog with using the potty basically in the house. But when you have to take the right precautions, right? Because with a dog being a newborn, he doesn't have all of his full vaccinations, which in this case would be the parvo shot. So he won't be fully vaccinated until April. At this moment, he's only 9 weeks, going on 10 weeks by the time we get him. So they shouldn't be outside. They shouldn't be in the grass. You don't want your dog to come down with anything, worms, whatever it may be. So you want to take full precaution in your dog's health. That's what we're gonna do here in the Fleming household. And so we got this. We're going to put one by each door of the house to start off the training. Even though he's already using this, we have one of the best Yorkie breeders towards the south, Southern Yorkies. Look them up. One of the very best. Have YouTube channels and everything. But it takes a lot to even get on the list to get a dog. You know what I'm saying? So her name is Elizabeth. She's amazing.
I'll have all her information and also her YouTube channel in the description box if you want to check her out and if you want to get a Yorkie. This is how we rearranged the couch. It's an L-shaped couch. It's very cozy. It's so cozy.
5-piece.
How many pieces is this?
5.
Yeah, it's a 5-piece sectional. And we got it from Rooms to Go, I think. But I'll have the link to the couch in the description box as well. Also to our pillows, because I didn't use the couch pillows that came with the couch. I wanted my own, something that was more upscale and cute. So I got these black ones here, and then this printed pillowcase. And then we got this, it's like a mink throw. We got this from TJ Maxx, I think. Yep, TJ Maxx. And then this table, we also got this table from a vendor off of Etsy. And so I'll have her information in the description box as well. And then now, since we changed, since we rearranged the couch, you can see the 2 chairs that we have over here on this wall next to the Harry Potter closet. This is called a Harry Potter closet. Let me show you guys real quick. This is actually my office. It's not finished at all. Yeah, one of the offices. This is my office. It's a long, like, hallway down here, but I'm not finished with it. I'm gonna actually put my yoga mat in here, a plant, and some other things in here, because this is kind of going to be like a meditation room as well for me and Ramon. And then that's my desk and my screens and all that good working stuff, because I do work a 9 to 5. I work in real estate. But yeah, so that's my little office here. And then those are the chairs, and that is our gallery wall with our family, our close family. And I'll have the link too for these pillowcases as well. And they're from Etsy as well. I showed you guys Luffy's little area, and then I also showed you my unfinished office. We have another office in the front room. Yeah, let me get to making dinner. I'll catch up with you guys later. So that is it for tonight. I cooked dinner. I made myself lunch today. We took down the Christmas tree, rearranged the furniture. Oh yeah, and I did miss my Pilates class today, but I will catch it next Sunday. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I am back, y'all. I am back, and watch. I am going to be your favorite new YouTuber. Y'all will catch the next video, and my husband is trying to get in the video.
She definitely gonna be your favorite because she my favorite.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
All right. See y'all next week.